In Ashtanga Yoga, there are 8 limbs. Now, let us discuss each one of the 8 limbs. Yama. Yama is the first limb of Ashtanga Yoga. Yama is the universal duty of all. It's a universal code of morality, a moral commandment. Yama trains and disciplines the individual to fulfill the social needs and obligations. It leads to self-control. The practice of Yama brings the purification of the mind. Sage Patanjali, the author of Yoga Sutras, says about Yama, Jati, Desha, Kala, Samaya, Anavachinna, Sarvabhauma Mahavratam. That means Yama is the universal great vow. It applies to everyone, irrespective of religious faith, country, time or circumstance. Yama is obligatory to all. Any great moral duty or observance is Yama. The practice of Yama should be by Kaya, Vacha and Manasa. Kaya, that is by body or deed, Vacha, that is by word, and Manasa, that is by thought. Every aspect of Yama refers to the total behavior of the individual, that is his or her action, talk and thinking. Sage Patanjali mentions 5 restraints. They are Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Brahmacharya and Aparigraha. Ahimsa is harmlessness, non-injury, abstention from harming others. Satya is truthfulness, abstention from falsehood. Asteya means abstention from stealing. Brahmacharya is observing the continence. Aparigraha is non-covetousness, abstention from the greed. These 5 are the basic rules of conduct. One has to impose this restraint on oneself. You are not supposed to expect this abstention from others, but you have to follow them. You have no right to question others if they do not follow these restraints. You have to practice these restraints to experience their inherent potency. This can be experienced when you practice with devotion and dedication. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.